Well, I'm at a bike park and we're gonna have fun with the Stampede 4x4 today. Yeehaw! Let's see if that's gonna work. Oh, kind of. I did go around. Got a branch stuck. Let's try that again. Forward a bit, back up. Again. Can't go straight. Oh, this should be fun. Lots of nice jumps a little bit everywhere. Let's go have some fun. That did not land right. Wheelie bar came off again. Just send it. Yeehaw! That's a nice bowl. Kind of interesting how that is. You know what? Sometimes in life you gotta say, what the fuck? Boink. Get on through. Yeah. That's what happens when you have just too much fun. The shock was so strong that the battery tray, the harness came out of there. Try that again. Oh, on the fence and back in. Wow. Whoa. Country driver. Missed a jump. If I can hit this one here. Boink. That was a fail. Oh, I popped the shock. Well, the shock came apart, bladder came apart. I put the shock back together and I dented my roof again. Oh well. And we have a guy with a scooter here. Do you ride the scooters? Yes, I do. Cool. Okay, just back off. Did I land? Yes, I did. Oh, but I think I broke my shock again. Definitely, shock came apart again. Well, let's fix it again and have some fun. If you ain't breaking anything, you're not having any fun. Hey, shock it fixed. Good to go. Let's go. Oh, landed on the nose. Almost landed it. That almost hit me. I just noticed something. I've lost my front wheel drive. It's only spinning from the rear. So I lost my front wheel drive for some odd reason. I gotta check that. Well, like I said, if you don't break anything, you're not having any fun. Cheers, we'll talk to you later. And I just met a friend today. What's your name?
Marcus.
Marcus. Marcus is with me, watching me and having some fun. Anyways, guys, keep having fun and go charge up some batteries and go out there and break something. Because if you're not breaking anything, you're not having any fun. Cheers. Well, that's why I lost my front wheel drive, because broke a dry shaft. And it is limited step in the front, so as soon as you lose one, the other one won't turn. Because if I do lift it up and take the weights off of it, it does turn on the other side. Anyways, these dry shaft I got off Amazon. They were, I think, like $40, $40 or $45 for all four. But let me tell you, the metal quality on this is not great. I broke the rear one last year. That's why now I have a metal one on the one side and I have the heavy duty on the other side. So I'm going to be buying the heavy duty one, the one that goes on the man, I can't remember the name now. Haas, and it fits on this. So I'm going to be buying the heavy duty ones for this now. Well, we'll see you all later. Cheers. No, 4x4. Without the 4x4, it won't do it. No, 4x4. Without the 4x4, it won't do it.